This video shows how to cancel a technology reservation for a single date using My Events in EMS WebApp. You will need your NetID and password and authenticate with Duo. Log in to EMS. Authenticate with Duo. Select My Events in the left side. The reservation window opens. Select a current reservation you would like to cancel. Select Cancel Reservation, located in the right side. From the drop-down menu, select the reason to cancel the reservation. Enter a note. At this point, you can either select No, keep this reservation, or Yes, cancel reservation. The reservation has been canceled. Select My Events in the upper left side to return to the reservation window. From here, you can create a reservation, check the status of your reservations using My Events, or log out. If you have any questions, call us at 202-687-7491, stop by our office in ICC 121, or send us an email at CETS@georgetown.edu.